Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to show notifications on lock screen on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. Well, viewing notifications directly on the lock screen allows you to quickly see important information without having to unlock your device. This can save time and effort, especially when you need to check updates or message frequently. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, you have to go to the settings menu on your device. Well, once you are in the settings menu, you can scroll down and then select notifications and status bar option. Okay, and now you can see there are several options that you can choose. So here, pick the first one, lock screen. Okay, next tap on display rules menu. After that, here you can see two options available. Okay, and then activate show notifications content. Then by activating this feature, the incoming notifications will be presented on lock screen of your device. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to show notifications on lock screen on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information from this channel. Thank you.